But
what's up, BJ TV Squad? And I'm back with another episode. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what because I'm saying every time I post a new video. So today, as you see by the thumbnail, as you see by the title, you should already know what's gonna happen. So y'all, we went out last night, so we have not ate at all yet. So basically today, I don't know if y'all remember when Brian spit in my food. Brian, I was slapping the out of you. Slap me. Yeah. So basically today, I will be doing coughing in my boyfriend's food to see how he react. Y'all already know Brian do the most. So I don't even gotta tell y'all nothing about that because it ain't nothing new. Hello. So basically when we finna go get some food and we haven't ate yet and we were hungry, stomach growling right now. So we're finna go get some food. I gotta hurry up with food. I get caught. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you subscribe to all our personal channels. Yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to B's Life, Lala's Playhouse, and the J-Way, because that's the only way. Hello. So, without further ado, let's get into this episode. Yo, so, I gotta, like, yo, okay. I might spit in it. He spit in my food.
okay.
I don't know. Y'all, I don't like spit. I thought it was cold. Got this big winter coat. I'm tired. Why do you want to eat that? PDQ. You know I was going to eat it. Eat that every day. You got Alabama? She got some money in there. She got nothing. You know she got no goddamn money. Oh, tired. Dang, you always want my seatbelt on? Put your seatbelt on. I forgot. You need to clean the car out, too. You say you gonna clean the car out? I said, we need to clean the car out. It's aggravating. When you Christmas coming. What that mean? I got to give you my list. List of what? You don't give me nothing this year? What you mean talking about this year like it last year? I didn't say that. I want Prada, Gucci. What's that song? I want to put my Gucci on. I'm not getting you none of that. And then I put my... I think I'm singing it backwards. Don't get your hopes up. Put my Gucci on. I just want my Louis Vuitton. And even with my... Wait, I forgot what she said. Goddamn. I made you look. Then I made you look. No, that... Shut up. That's not it? Based on what we get, what you gonna get me? Ooh, I want a car. You already got one. I want some money. Doing too much. I want some, you know... and then, yeah, you gonna take me somewhere? You asked for too much. You asked for a lot. I never said that. Did you live that growing up? No. I'm not doing all that. You're doing too much. You don't know what she got me growing up. She got you a car? No. She did before she helped me. My first car. You're doing too much. You see all these cars' heads poking out? Watch how you talking to me. You're doing too much. No, watch how you talking to me for real. But you're doing the most. Shut up. Don't talk to me to talk. You're not talking to me. Because you ain't got to eat. No, we can go back to the house because I don't be on all that. Right? You doing don't talk to me like in an aggressive way. What? Like, you're being extra. I don't care. You're literally just... Okay. You just and I could have DoorDashed my food. So it never mattered. You still can.
Yeah, I can. So you can turn. You can do a U-turn. We can go back to the house.
You do the most.
Yeah.
It's not that serious.
No, I'm letting you know. Don't talk to me any type of way. How's
whatever.
Whatever, man.
Why are you doing the most?
Just stop saying it. Like, damn, that's aggravating. Like, leave it alone.
You get mad so quick. It doesn't even be all that serious. Calm down, Jackie. I didn't sneeze on it. What?
Give me my food. Give me your food. Cover your nose.
What? I was sneezing. Not that serious. Oh, I'm getting sick. This mine or yours?
Yours.
No, it's not mine. It's still in the bag. Why would I get the one I just sneezed on?
You didn't sneeze on that. You getting it because I gave you your food first.
No, I want that one.
You're not getting it. Oh, they only gave you one PBQ sauce. I got 4 barbecue sauce. They must know me. Maybe I don't play with it. Grab your food so I can put.
I don't want this one.
That's what you're eating. And fell way back there on the ground.
Here.
No, just move, because you're doing too
So you
much.
gonna eat off the floor?
I don't care. What?
Nothing.
Yeah, you see they fell on the ground, right?
Get them.
I am. What is you doing?
Boy, I'm coughing. Like what?
It's a drink right there. Drink it.
What is that gonna do for me? Pick up your chicken.
I already picked it up. I had 3. I had a 3-piece tender.
Oh. Damn. Man, I think I'm getting sick.
Okay, stick your over there, bro.
Stop! What? Do that.
Oh my
I didn't
God.
mean to do that.
Like, what is you doing?
Brian, I can't cough.
Not in my fucking face, you can't.
You're doing the most. It's not that serious.
Yeah.
It's just a little cough. Damn. It's that serious?
Jameson, don't play with me.
Oh my God. I think I'm getting sick.
Cover your motherfucking mouth.
How am I coughing my mouth is coming out my mouth? Like what?
I said cover your mouth.
Oh, I thought you said cough in my mouth.
Sound done.
Let me taste your fries.
It tastes just like yours.
God damn.
Scoot over.
Let me see yours.
Jameson, damn, eat your food.
I want to taste yours.
Damn, we got the same thing.
It's aggravating. Why I can't taste yours?
What is this?
I'm opening it for you.
I got it. I don't need
Being
you doing
nice.
nothing. I took one of your fries.
But I can't take one of yours. Why would you just do that?
Yeah, you on the wrong topic today. Now, why would you do that? What made you cough over here, though? All that space over there?
Right. I have to cough. I can't control where I cough.
What?
What? Your tooth fell out? Oh my God, I thought your tooth. I didn't say, oh my God.
Something that gets mad. You already pissing me off. No, my sister.
That was a fry. Oh, I was gonna say, oh wow. See, you got a cough too. You probably getting sick.
I'm not getting sick. Damn, you're gonna piss me off.
Your nose running like you do that stuff.
Jameson, stop playing. Let my mother thinking about them tooth that fell out.
Who you had to drop right to Miami?
It's not funny. I'm still gonna eat my.
Babe, I might need to have to go to the hospital. I need some cough drops.
Drink something. You don't need to do all that.
Why you didn't close mine too?
You doing all that coffee, man. Cough over here.
Like what? Stop eating my fries.
I just had.
I'm sorry. No, it was because I stopped myself. I had to stop myself.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop y'all. I'm gonna stop. As Danny and I'll do it. Look at
Stop reaching for my fries.
my barbecue's up down.
How yours look? Because I feel like
The same way.
I have 4. How you got 3? I thought we asked for a 3-piece. You gave me one of yours?
I got 3 pieces.
You want one, babe?
No, I don't want one. I don't. I'm okay.
Stop! Hey, who coughing coming their mouth? It needs to get out there. Right, right?
It's like you do it on purpose. That's what's killing me.
Don't hit.
What are you doing?
Why would you hit me like what? What are you doing?
What are you coughing for?
I'm coughing. It's flu season.
Ain't that much coughing in the world.
Don't hit me like you're doing to me.
I don't care.
If you get beat up, that's
Don't
what's
cough
gonna
on my
happen.
food.
Keep your food over there then, and I won't cough on you.
You doing all that spitting too? All of my shape? Nah, I won't.
Give a damn. Cough, spit, don't matter.
No.
He's good.
Back up. Damn. Worry about your own cheese falling out. Come on.
Oh my god. But I think I'm allergic to something.
Coffee don't mean you're allergic. Are you dumb?
But I keep sneezing too.
Yep, and I'm a back it. So do it.
You're not gonna backhand a mother.
I thought that was your teeth.
What? Okay. I thought this was my tooth, but it's not.
And you put it back in there?
It's food. It's all going in the same place. I'm sorry. Man, I'm so sorry.
I'm trying to pack on my back. Hey.
I'm gonna throw up.
You're not even up. Get down. Open the door.
Oh my god.
Open the door if you're gonna throw up. Roll your window down. Roll the window
And
down.
you're not even doing nothing to help you. Just standing there looking stupid. Like what?
I just patted you on.
It's patting me on my back on you.
Are you?
You did one pat. You're supposed to do 3.
Roll your
Like
window
what?
down.
Like you're no help.
I don't give. I don't.
Like damn.
Roll your window down.
What are you here for?
The same reason what you here for.
Yeah. This saying that let me die.
Baby, you can have that shape. I'm not on none of that. I'm not on none of that. Yeah, you can have it. And you gonna drink my shit anyway.
You said I could have it. Thought I was gonna say no.
Go to the line. I'm not drinking that. I don't know your mouth, man.
It's only been one place, and it's on you. Give me a fry. I coughed all over these fries. I can't eat
You
that.
finna piss me off. It's like getting irritated. Like,
Why are you getting mad? It's not that
right, let's just go. Like you acting dumb. Stop playing on back there.
Do that.
What are you doing too much? Get out my face.
You could get out and walk.
Oh, you mad now, huh?
Yeah. Hit me.
All right, then. I'll be there. Now you mad.
I spit on your food. That's why I was surprised. You didn't get the.
Slap some
But you get
shit
beat
your
up.
ass. Jefferson, don't
hit.
if I spit in your face. Yeah, you're doing way too much now.
Why would you just do back? No.
Look, man, I throw the shake dead in your face.
But you just like.
Coughing up and playing fucking much.
I'm sorry.
Don't fucking find me. Thank everything. Joe. I'm finna walk in on dead serious. You slapped me for it.
You just slapped me.
I don't.
Hey.